Hi, this is Raghu from TutorialDrive.com and welcome to PHP video series. So in this lecture we will see an example of conditional operators. So we have only one conditional operator, that is question mark. So we will see an example. So let's open our text editor. So create a new file. So save it as conditional.php. Let's save. Okay. So let's open PHP tag. So as I told, we have only question mark as conditional operators. So what it will do? So the syntax is very simple. So just give some condition and use the question mark. If it is true, then we can display something. So we will write it as true block. If it is false, then we can execute the false block and we can end the statement with semicolon. So this is a simple syntax for conditional operators. So let's check or try with an example. So similarly, like previous examples, let's use a variable x. So $x is 10 or 20, $y is 30. Okay, so now use $z. So now I want to assign the highest value or assign bigger value to c. So out of x and y, so whichever is greater, I want to assign that value to my z. So I can create a condition like if $x is greater than $y, okay, if the condition is true, so I want to assign the highest value, so I can assign $x. If not, I will assign $y. It means in both conditions I am assigning the bigger value to z. So if you see, just okay, if x is greater than y, it means x has the bigger value, so I'm assigning this one. If this condition is true, this block will be executed, so that's why I'm assigning x to z. If this condition is false, it means y is bigger, so I'm assigning y to z or z. So let's display. C value is okay, don't forget semicolon at the end. So let's open our browser. It is not comparison operator anymore, it is conditional. Okay, so we have some error at line 8. What is that? We not only 8, 7 and 8, we forgot semicolons. Okay, let's reload the page again. Yes, z value is 30 because this is the highest value. Let's change to 120 and 310 and go and reload. So 310 because this is the highest value. So this is how we will use conditional operators, and this is very useful. We will use this one, instead of having a big if else loop. If you want to achieve the same functionality by using if else loop, I'll tell you what we have to do. So we have to create a if else loop. If $x is greater than $y, then assign z equals, sorry, here x sorry, my bad. So assign $x, and here you have to echo something like, maybe, or we'll use one echo statement at the end, else that value is y. So let me comment this one. Still we should get the same output, 310. So yes, so both are doing the same work. So instead of using these if else block, so we can just use a simple the conditional operator. So that's what in the beginning I told, this is an alternative to if else block.